Today we are going to start 4.2. It is an autobiographical novel. So look at here. And name of this novel is To Serve with Love. And this novel, which is written by E.R. Braithwaite. So this novel, To Serve with Love, it is an autobiographical novel, and this novel is written by E.R. Braithwaite. It means this novel is based on the life experiences of E.R. Braithwaite. So open your books, page number 178. Today, in this first part, we are going to learn this instruction or information given about the writer, about the novelist, and about the novel. So today we are going to learn about this. Now listen carefully. Eustace Edward Richard O. Braithwaite, 1912 to 2016. It means Eustace Edward Ricardo Braithwaite. He was born in 1912 and he died in 2016. Known as E.R. Braithwaite. So this novelist is known as E.R. Braithwaite. Was a Guyanist. So what is the meaning of Guyanese? Look at here. Guyanese, it means resident of Guyana. So what is Guyana? Look at here. It's a country in north east coast of South America. So Guyana, it's a small country in northeast coast of South America. Was a Guyana's born British American novelist, writer, teacher, a diplomat. Diplomat it means, look at here. Diplomat it means an official engaged in diplomacy. So what is the meaning of diplomacy? Look at here. Diplomacy it means management of international relations. Best known for his series of social conditions and racial it means to race. So what is the meaning of race? Race, it means a group of people having different body figure, color or skin color, etc., etc., than others. Racial discrimination. Discrimination, it means unfair treatment given to against black people. So here we are getting information that Eustace Edward Ricardo Braithwaite was known as E.R. Braithwaite, and he was the resident of Guyana. It's a country in northern east coast side of South America, and he was a British American novelist, a writer, a teacher, a diplomat. Diplomat, it means the person who manage international relations. That person is called diplomat. And he was best known for his stories of social conditions and racial discrimination against black people. So racial, it means related to race. So what is race? Race is, it means the people, a group of people having different bodily figure, different skin color, different framed face structure. So suppose the Chinese people having different body, different skin color, different face structure, so that is a different kind of race. Indian people having different bodily texture, different skin color, different facial structure, so this is a different kind of race. In the same way, American people are having different race, or South African people are having different race, so these are called the races. But in America there are particularly two races. One is white people and second is black people. White people's race, black people's race. So these two people are always having some kind of trouble or disturbance between them, and particularly the white people were treating very badly to the black people in America. So therefore E.R. Braithwaite wrote in his stories, in his novel, about these racial discrimination. It means this kind of racial bad treatment given to the black people in America. He was the author of one of the famous 1959 autobiographical novel, To Sir with Love. So his best known, very famous autobiographical novel, it means his novel was written on his own life experiences, and that novel is To Sir with Love. This novel became very popular in America, not only in America but in the whole world. He wrote a kind of homecoming about his tour of Africa. Then he wrote many things, many novels, many stories, and particularly here is given information about his few very famous stories or novels. The one is A Kind of Homecoming, and this he wrote about his tour to Africa. A Choice of Straws, a novel set in London. Then he wrote another novel, A Choice of Straws, and this was written on the condition in London. The Reluctant Neighbors, a memoir. Memoir, it means biography. What is the meaning of biography? In the last part, in the last novel, history of novel, I have given you meaning of this word. Biography, it means one's life story written by oneself. If my life story, my experiences on my life, if I write story on those my own experiences, so that will be my autobiography. And if someone write someone else others life story, so that is called biography. If I write my own life experiences in a story form, so that is autobiography, and if I write someone else life story, so that will be biography. So memoir, it means biography. And treatise, it means written work dealing systematically with subject. About racism. So, this Reluctant Neighbors, this was a memoir, this was a biography, and this biography was about racism. This written work was about racism. It means what is the condition of race in America and how white people are treating very badly to the black people. This was the theme of this novel. Braithwaite's numerous. Numerous, it means many. Braithwaite's numerous writings primarily deal with the difficulties of being an educated black man, a black social worker, a black teacher, simply a human being who found himself in the state of inhuman. Inhuman, it means not having positive human qualities, or another meaning is cruel, very cruel, behave very badly. So, Braithwaite's numerous writing primarily, it means at the starting period of his writing, he wrote particularly what kind of difficulties the black peoples were facing in America, particularly what kind of difficulties educated black men face in his life, what kind of black social workers fell in difficulties about the problem of black teachers, and simply what kind of inhuman treatment was given to the black people. Particularly, this was the central idea, central theme of Braithwaite's writing at the starting of his writing period. And inhuman circumstances. Circumstance, it means condition. So, in this kind of inhuman condition, how the black people were living in America what kind of problems they were facing. This was the central idea of Braithwaite's writing at the starting point of his writing. To Serve with Love is an autobiographical novel. Autobiographical novel, it means one's life story written by oneself. My life story, if I myself write, so that will call my autobiography. So, To Serve with Love is an autobiographical novel. It means this novel, To Serve with Love, it is depend on the real life experiences of our novelist E.R. Braithwaite. The narrator is an engineer. So, this narrator was first an engineer. But to make both ends meet, this is the phrase. Let me first clean this side. Then I will give you meaning of that phrase. To make both ends meet. This is the phrase. To make both ends meet. So what is the meaning of this phrase? It means earn just enough money to live on. The narrator is an engineer, but to make both ends meet, he accepted the job of a teacher in the rough London East End School. Rough, it means unsophisticated. It means unsophisticated, it means not gentle or violent. So, the narrator was first an engineer, but he was not earning any money. So, he accepted a job as a teacher in a very rough London East End School. This is the name of that school, London East End School, and that school was very rough. It means the students in that school were not gentle. Those were unsophisticated. Those students were very violent. The school is full of troublemakers. Troublemaker? Look at here. It means a person who causes trouble. Troublemaker students who were rejected from other school for their behavior. So in this school, London East End School, the students came from other school. Other school rejected these students because of their very bad, very violent behavior, and this kind of students were enrolled, given admission in this London East End School, and these students were very troublesome. It means these students make very trouble to the teacher. At the beginning, the narrator is ridiculed. Ridiculed, it means, look at here. It means made fun or jokes on, and bullied. Bullied, it means treated badly by the student. So at the starting period of E.R. Braithwaite, when he accepted the job as a teacher. So that time those students were making many jokes on E.R. Braithwaite and treating very badly with E.R. Braithwaite. But later his calm demeanor it means way of behavior. Way of behavior. But later his calm demeanor and desire to see them succeed gradually earned him their respect. So at first all the students were making fun, jokes on E.R. Braithwaite and treating very badly with E.R. Braithwaite. But after few days, after some time, after watching his very calm way of behavior, and he was trying to make those kind of students succeed in their life, after that he was able to get the respect from the students. So in this way, here the introduction of the writer and about this novel, autobiographical novel, is ends here. Then below that there are given names of the character. First there are given major character, main character. So what are the major character? First, Ricky Braithwaite, the narrator. This is the name of the narrator. Gillian Blanchard, Mrs. Dale Evans, Denham, Pamela Dale, Mr. Florian. And after this there is given name of minor characters. Bob Belmont, Jacqueline Bender, Clinton, Selma Drell, Hackman, Moira Joseph, Palmer, Euphema Phillips, Jane Purcell, Lawrence Siles, Jace Belmont, Buckley, Josie Dowes, Patrick Furman, Tick Jackson, Monica Page, Barbara Page, Potter, Sapiano, Theo Watson. So these are the names of main characters and minor characters given in this novel. So today here we are going to stop. So have a good day to all of you. Thank you very much.